Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create click scan logo animation in Adobe After Effects. Okay, let's start to video. Create a new composition. Rename it render. For frame rate, I set 30 and duration 10 seconds. Click OK. Now import a logo into composition. Press S to scale and I set 90. And then right click and pre-composition, rename it logo. Okay, move all attribute. Now make sure you do not select on logo layer and go to Ellipse tool. Select for Ellipse tool and fill, set color to be white and stroke, set color to be none, and create a new shape. Okay, I prefer that. Now go to align and align it to the center. Okay, go to layer, transform and center anchor point. Okay, now set timeline to the beginner and press A. Set scale to be 0 and select on stopwatch. Go to around 4 seconds. And scale it something bigger than logo. Okay, that's good for me. And now go to Effect and Preset and search for turbulent displace. Okay, right here and amount set it 75. For size set it 25. For complexity, set it 10. Okay, now select on logo. For track matte, select it alpha matte. Now go to Effect and Preset. Search for mosaic. Okay, set it here. For horizontal block, set it 100. And vertical block set it 50. Okay, that's good. Now select both layer and pre-compose. Rename it logo reverse. Move all attribute. Now go to Effect and Preset. Search for fill. Set fill color to be white and then go to edit, duplicate or Ctrl D to duplicate. Select on top layer and move forward around 5 frame. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, around here. And then select bottom layer, set track matte to alpha inverted. Okay. Now we don't want outline here, so go to Effect and Preset, search for mini mark. Okay, put it on bottom layer and then operation set it minimum, proportional set it alpha and color, and radius set it 1. Now select on both layer and pre-compose, rename it to scan. Move all attribute, click OK. Go to Project Panel and import logo reverse in composition. Okay, now for mode scan, set it screen. Okay, go to Effect and Preset, search for glass, CC glass. Surface, set property alpha and softness 0. For height, set it minus 50 and displacement set it 50. Okay, good. Now go to Effect and Preset, search for displacement. Okay, displacement map. Now for horizontal, set it 100 and vertical set it 0. Ctrl D to duplicate. Set horizontal again minus 200 and 0. Now for color, set color Rama. Input scan and output set it U circle and modify uncheck. Okay. Now go to effect and press it again and search for glow. For radius glow, set it 50 and duplicate. Set radius 200 and duplicate again. Set radius to 400. Okay, that's good. Now select both layer and pre-compose. Rename it logo animation. Select on move all attributes, click OK. Create a new solid and rename it floor. Click OK and go to effect and preset. Search for fractal. Okay, fractal on the floor and check 3 box. Press all to rotate. Rotate X minus 90. Okay, move to here and then scale it bigger, something like that. Okay, that's good for me. And then now select on logo, go to edit and duplicate or Ctrl D to duplicate. Now rename it to reflection. Right click, go to transform, flip vertical. Press P to move here. Okay, and press S to scale, uncheck uniform and set it minus 50. Okay, press P again to reposition around here. Okay, and press T to set opacity and set it 70. Okay, now for floor, set it to noise type, block, and contrast, set it 200, and brightness, I set it minus 10. For complexity, I set it 4. Okay, now right click on floor and pre-compose, rename it floor, and move all attribute, click OK. Now create a new layer adjustment. Okay, put it between logo and reflection and then disable floor. Now select on layer adjustment and go to compound blur. Okay, go to compound blur on layer adjustment and blur layer, set floor. For maximum, I set it 100. Okay, now after that go to effect and preset, search for CC glass. Check on surface and bump mask, set it floor. For property, set it alpha and softness, set it 0. For height, set it 20. And displacement, set it 50. Okay, that's good. Now select on reflection and go to direction blur. Set it 90 and blur length, set it 100. Okay, that's good. Now add a new camera. Uncheck lock to zoom and click OK. And press P to position camera 1800. And select on stopwatch. And now go here, around here, and set it 1400. Okay, make sure logo check on 3D and reflection check on 3D. And then floor check on here. Okay, that's good for me. Now create a new solid and rename it BG. Go to Effect and Preset, search for gradient ramp. Now swap color and then choose color from logo and set it more deep color. Okay, maybe something like that. And then here set it 150. Okay, that's good. Now go to logo animation, go to Effect and Preset, search for CC light strip. Set direction 45. Okay, select stopwatch here and go to around here. Okay, that's good. Now move timeline around 5 seconds and press N. Right click to trim compose. Okay, it's worked very well. So, for you want to change any logo, please go to Project Panel and select on Logo Composition and change any logo you want. For example, I change to IG logo. I scale it to the same size and disable previous logo. Now we can change logo automatically and select on background and change color background. Okay, that is finished. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.